Hi, it is me Ram Lama, and in this video I'll be helping you to create folder in Gmail account. And this is easy. So what you have to do is you have to log into your account, okay, and you have to create here category, okay, like I have here primary, social, promotion, update, and forum. And likewise I have created some folders here. As you can see, academic office, okay, spelling is wrong, I have to change this one, okay. So I can just edit with the three dot and edit, okay, academic office, save. Okay, so I have created some folders here. Uh, if you want to create like this, what you have to do is like you might be in inbox, start, snow, send, draft. Okay, so you have to scroll and you have to click on more and scroll down, and you can see here create new label. Okay, so it means you are creating new label. So let me click here in new label. So give the name, like I have done academic office, or for me now I'll write, okay, Thomas. Okay, so academic, okay, just I'll write academic administrator. Okay, so Thomas academic administrator. Why I'm writing this one is because I have got here 3 email from him, so I'll add here. Okay, so this new label, and now you can just click, you don't have to do anything here. Okay, just leave it like this and say blank and create. Okay, so the label Thomas academic, it has been already created. You can see up, down, up here, Thomas academic. So if I want to add this mail in that folder, what I have to do is just click here, click, okay, select it, and here you can see, here you can see move, okay, arrow, click on move, and you can see we have created folder, and I'll just click here. Okay, here we go, this email has already come to this. If I click here, okay, you can see 3 mail, and if I see critical thinking, okay, so 1 mail, academic office. So this is how you will be able to organize your email, okay, according to its level. And thank you very much for watching.